Nice. Took a while, but there it is. There goes the motor again.
Good fish, man. Big jump, big jump.
I think how you are. I reckon you got a metre.
Just wind it, yeah, don't pull up hard.
Yep.
Lean him out, lean out this way. Lean out to the right. You can control him. Keep one, yeah, little ones, yeah, keep it coming. Always keep it coming.
Shall I leave the drag as it is?
See another jump. Watch out for that motor. It's either go around or wait. Yeah, you're right.
Come again.
It's in the current, see? It's making it so hard.
I'm not getting in.
Yeah. Good first keep going left. Take him left.
Some of these are going to be sick.
Is it on order?
No, but I'm just clicking them up. It's making a noise.
Don't walk away up there, just stay down here, man.
Oh. What happened? It was lucky my hand slipped, bro. I clicked the button on it.
Holy shit, I was looking.
I thought you were lost and...
So did I.
Wow.
I was like...
I wouldn't have forgot about that, bro.
You would never let that down.
Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Lean up, wind down. Nice and smooth. It'll come up. See how this is going to work. I don't know. A bit of green this fish still. Keep him coming. Head up, head up. Head up. Head up, head up. Keep coming.
Oh, yes, Callum Pratt.
You might be in the club. Push your button and take your rod away. Alright, we're going to go up to that water bottle again.
Watch out there, bro. It's coming in.
Not quite, man. I think you're just short.
It's a queen. Holy cow, good work.
That's a big donkey.
Cheers, donker.
That is a fish. What we came for. And I love it when a plan comes together. Sicario.
Yeah.
Bang on a hungy.
Hungy Club.
Alright. Hang on, get my arm out of the way.